Welcome to Colombo Airport Taxi.com, your trusted airport transfer service in Sri Lanka. Whether you're visiting for a holiday, business trip, or family vacation, booking your airport taxi is fast, simple, and secure. The website is designed to make planning your journey effortless. Browse our airport transfer services, explore destinations across Sri Lanka, view our modern fleet, read customer reviews, and find answers to common questions, all in one place. To calculate your fare, simply choose your trip type, enter your pickup and drop-off locations, select your travel date and time, adjust the number of passengers and bags, then click See Prices. The website instantly calculates your route and displays available vehicles with transparent pricing. Compare different vehicle options based on passenger capacity, luggage space, and price, then choose the one that best fits your travel needs. Once you've selected your vehicle, click Continue to Details. Enter your passenger information, contact details, and flight number so your driver can track your arrival. Review your booking summary, then proceed to the secure payment page to complete your reservation. Booking your airport transfer with Colombo Airport Taxi takes just a few minutes. With fixed prices, professional drivers, flight monitoring, and reliable service across Sri Lanka, your journey starts with confidence. Visit colomboairporttaxi.com today and book your airport transfer with ease. Thank you for watching.